everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and 2 days in a row I'm releasing a video. 2 days in a row I got home and there was a package on my front door, and you know what this is going to be. It's another round of the 2021 Morgans, and these should be the CC and O Privy versions. Now, if you didn't watch the video I released yesterday going over the D and the S, I would highly recommend you go back and do that. There's a little bit of a disappointment on one of the coins. And when I picked up this package today, I noticed something, and I'm only going to do this once because I don't want to cause any more damage, but it sounds like there are coins loose in there, which means that they have popped free from their plastic capsule, if that is indeed what has happened. And that's a shame because the CC and the O Privy marks are the ones I was looking forward to the most. So I'm going to try not to be disappointed, but we are going to open this live. I have not opened this before. I don't know what's in here. I'm really hoping it's not damaged. But I'm doing this so that you all can see what kind of product the US Mint is putting out there. Let me make sure that I don't have any of my personal information revealed. Doesn't look like it. Wrapped in paper. Here they are. New Orleans. Well, that's interesting. These both say New Orleans, and I ordered one Carson City and one New Orleans. Let me check my paperwork. Yeah, that would be what I ordered. Huh. Different item numbers, 21XD, 21XC. Well, this will be interesting. Hopefully that's just a mistake. They both say 21XD on them. Well, this will be interesting. Did I not get my Carson City? Well, we'll still do the unboxing. Let's take a look at the first one. There is the card information. And let's take a look. Oh, yep. It's out of the capsule. The capsule is opened. The capsule was opened. It was jiggling around. That is the O. Might be one little mark below the right wing. But other than that, I'm going to press this in close. Oh. Is that dirt or is that scratch? It's hard to tell because this is open, but there looks like there could be another scratch right there. I'm not sure, though. That might be on the inside of the plastic because it was bobbing around. The coin itself looks beautiful. The coin itself looks beautiful. The only downside is that I potentially have 2 New Orleans coins. And I definitely ordered one of each. Let me show you my shipping label. Let me see if I can find. Let me just cover that up. You can see my packing slip has 21XD1, 21XC1. So let's see what we have here. So that one was open. That will probably be the one that I would return if I have to. And let's check out this one, New Orleans. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, and it is scratched. Right there. Between the P and the L. And again down here on the 21. Unbelievable. Mark on her cheek. Let's try to take this out, guys. I'm sorry I'm not in a great mood doing this, but I want you to see what's going on. And it's the O. I did not get my CC Morgan as ordered. Well, I will be contacting the U.S. Mint because they shipped me 2 New Orleans ones, and you could see from the paperwork that I ordered one of each. So I will have to go ahead and do that. This one is damaged. There is a scuff mark here, and there is a scuff mark there from the coin container moving around. That is very disappointing. And both of them have a little bit of damage, and I am very unhappy. It looks like I'm going to have to figure out how to return this and figure out what to do. So let me know if you're having issues with your Morgans as they're coming in, because apparently I am. Ordered a CC and a New Orleans, and I got 2 New Orleans. So, hey guys, I'm adding this clip in at the end of the video just to give you an update. I just spent 30 minutes on hold at the US Mint, and they told me that there is nothing they can do except take the entire order back. That would be both coins, because they don't have any of the Carson City coins left in stock. And I am very disappointed. I'm very upset. They're telling me that my only option is to send both coins back. They will refund my order, but they don't have any coins from Carson City to send me to make the order right. And I think that is absolutely unacceptable. I was polite and professional on the phone. I did not yell. I did not scream. I stated my case. Obviously, I am a little upset. I told the person that was on the phone that I know it's not your fault that you're doing your job, but I need to talk to someone that's going to make this right. They did take my information down, and they said upper management would call me within a few days. But I guess it's a waiting game at this point. So, like I said, I am very, very disappointed with the United States Mint receiving the products that not receiving the products that I ordered. You saw here I opened the package live, so I didn't tamper with it. I just want to show the damage one more time, just so you can see, because I didn't do a very good job at showing you it. But the damage is right here from the second coin that we opened. You can see that that's on the coin, that's not on the case. And then also right there's the other set of damage. But yeah, I've got 2 mint marks, and I guess at this point the other coin, I did take a second look at it. It's in great shape. It's going to get submitted. Because I know what's going to happen. They're not going to let me keep this coin if I send both back. So I need that coin, the good one. I guess I might have to submit both and try to sell this second damaged one. It's not going to get a 70. And I guess I get to, unless the mint comes through, try to go through and get one on eBay when you know how expensive that's going to be. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update before I end the video. That's what the mint told me, that there's nothing they can do. So thanks, United States Mint. And remember, it's always a mystery until you crack open that box in the United States Mint and see if they got your order right. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. Catch you on the next one.